beautiful song. This is Surfer Girl by the Beach Boys, one of my all-time favorites. I'm Steve, hope you're doing amazing, and I'm gonna show you this thing in under 3 minutes. Now it has a key change near the end. I'm gonna pause it right there because it gets really hard after that key change, but I'm gonna show you that little walk up right here. So let's start in D major with no capo. And you do sort of low to high downstrokes, like try that, and then do that pretty much the whole way through the song, unless you want to go like that. But let's go for the chords. D major, B minor, that's B minor, I play with my thumb, G major, A major, then you do this D. It's a D where you put your finger across the E, B, and G strings like that on the 2nd fret and hit the open D. Then you go to D7. Check the link in the description for the chord charts. G major, and now a G minor. You know, whether you do it like that or you bar it like that, and then you go, do you love me? D major, B minor, G major, do you surfer, A major, girl, D. Then you cycle through again, B minor, G, A, and then it does that whole verse again. Whole verse all the way through. And then the next time around when it goes, do you love me, do you surfer, girl, D major, G major, D. Then the bridge or the chorus or whatever you're gonna call this thing goes G. We could write A major, the surf, there's that D with the one finger together, B minor, G major, A, D, regular D, to D7th, G, A major, that D again, B minor, and now it goes everywhere, that's E major, everywhere I go, A major, and now here's where it does that key change. It goes up right to B flat right there, and then it does this. So now you're on like this, you know, D sharp kind of thing. And this is where it's really hard as a beginner guitarist to do a key change, really for anybody. If you can put a capo on the 1st fret, then you can play everything out 1 fret up. Otherwise you go, you know, and you gotta transpose everything into other chords. That's really difficult. I'm gonna stop right there since it's a beginner lesson, but let me take you back to the very beginning when I did that little walk up. Really simple. You start with the open A string to the 2nd fret of the A, 4th fret, and then the D major. So that's a really quick look at Surfer Girl by the Beach Boys. Just beautiful and really fun to play, especially with those cool D chords right there. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute lessons. See ya.